When it comes to any construction project in Noida Extension, it is essential to hire a building surveyor who is well-versed in the local regulations and codes. A building surveyor plays a crucial role in ensuring that the construction process adheres to all necessary guidelines and standards. In Noida Extension, there are numerous building surveyors available, but it is important to choose one who has expertise in the specific area of building-surveyor-noida extension. PHP. This ensures that the surveyor is familiar with the unique challenges and requirements of construction in Noida Extension. Scon design is a key aspect of any construction project. Scon design refers to the design and installation of scons, which are decorative light fixtures often used in residential and commercial buildings. Scons can add a touch of elegance and style to any space, and their design should be carefully considered to ensure they complement the overall aesthetic of the building. When hiring a building surveyor in Noida Extension, it is important to inquire about their experience and expertise in scon design. A surveyor with knowledge in this area can provide valuable insights and recommendations to enhance the overall design and functionality of scons in a building. In Noida Extension, there are several factors to consider when choosing a building surveyor for a construction project. This guarantees that they have met all necessary qualifications and have a thorough understanding of the building codes and regulations in Noida Extension. A building surveyor with a proven track record of successful projects in Noida Extension can provide added assurance that they are capable of handling the specific challenges of construction in this area. The surveyor should be able to clearly communicate their observations, recommendations, and any potential issues that may arise during the construction process. Any development project in Noida Extension must be handled by a building surveyor who is knowledgeable about the area's rules and laws. Making sure that the construction process complies with all applicable regulations and standards is the responsibility of a building surveyor. There are many building surveyors in Noida Extension, but it's crucial to pick one with experience in that area specifically. Building Surveyor Noida Extension. PHP. This makes sure that the surveyor is knowledgeable about the particular difficulties and demands of development in Noida Extension. Any construction project must include scon design. Scons are decorative light fixtures that are frequently used in both residential and commercial structures. Scon design refers to the design and installation of scons. Scons may offer a touch of elegance and beauty to any room, so it's important to carefully evaluate their design to make sure it matches the overall design of the structure. Inquire about experience and knowledge in scon design before selecting a building surveyor in Noida Extension. A surveyor with expertise in this field can offer insightful opinions and suggestions to improve the overall appearance and usability of scons in a structure. When selecting a building surveyor for a construction project in Noida Extension, there are a number of considerations to take into account. This provides assurance that they are fully qualified and knowledgeable about Noida Extension's building